more countries have suspended the use of AstraZeneca vaccines as a precautionary measure after reports of blood clots in people who had received the vaccine from 2 batches produced in Europe.
It is actually very puzzling to many of us in the medical and scientific community about the halting of use of the AstraZeneca vaccine in several countries, including France and Germany. And that is because the cases and the rates of the blood clotting events, pulmonary clots, clots in the veins of the legs, are not seen at any frequency higher than in people who did not get the vaccine. So this is the benefit of what we call a randomized controlled trial. Half of the people received the vaccine in the trial, half the people received a placebo or a saline shot. And we know that the cases of anything from blood clots to even a heart attack to strokes happen, but they happen at the same rates we see in the unvaccinated population. There are reports out of Norway with 4 cases of a hemorrhage in the brain, and that's highly unusual. And I know that many are looking deeper into that. But in terms of AstraZeneca, the data does not support stopping the vaccine from being used. In fact, quite the opposite. The data supports that the benefits outweigh the risks. So comparing, it's hard to compare without the US data. And I would say that the benefit of our process in the United States is that the data will be published, fully reviewed by the FDA, and then also reviewed by the CDC, which will give advice on who should receive the vaccine. But looking at the data so far from other countries, it's very similar to what we see with the currently authorized vaccines in the United States.